So, work is most important than inspiration. Inspiration is necessary, but more than motivation, work is necessary because life changes not through inspiration. It's a very important line. Because life changes not only through inspiration, but through work, and practice only. Many people stop with the motivation, but only those who work hard, they succeed. So inspiration has a limitation, short period. But if you don't work and practice, then this motivation, but you cannot change. The work, life changes through work only, not motivation. Motivation help you to work, that's all. Help you to do something, but work. As work changes work. That's the law of karma. Work changes worker. Same theory. If you work, then practice, that will change only. Most of the time, we read, give so much time to get the inspiration, but result is practically zero. We have a lot of inspiration for short time, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. But result is zero because it's short term, it will go. But you have to maintain it through practice. One day you get up early morning, second day you stop. That means you are not doing the work, you are not doing the practice. What inspiration can give you? Transformation comes, changes come only through work. It is the deep meaning, proverb is there. You can take a horse near water. You cannot give it water. That means inspiration can take you, show you. They say there is water, but who will drink? Inspiration cannot make you drink. Inspiration cannot enter your mouth. You have to open your mouth and you have to take the water. Similarly, inspiration gives you some certain guidelines, but it cannot bring changes of the life unless you practice. So, explanation is given below that the proverb means that it is possible to lead someone to a good job or opportunity, but it is not possible to take the opportunity or do not do the job if the person himself does not want it. This want it, that means you are not wanting, you are getting inspiration. If a person want to get the job, want to change his life, if you want, but you do not want, that is we forget. One day take decision, next day everything gone. It is possible to take this opportunity if the person himself wants. Otherwise, it is not possible. So some other changes and improvement comes from me if he wants. If he wants to drink the water, what is near you, inspiration you have to get it, but you do not want to drink it. That is the problem. So you stop working. Even though you are getting inspiration, but you are not interested to work it, to get it. That is why what is happening, we know, we have read Gita, Shastras, and what is the gist of the Shastras? God is everything, world is Maya. We know, get inspiration, so many incidents, so many lectures, but it remains in theory state of your mind, inspiration. That is why, you see, we say we love God. Practical example. We love God, not the world. Because you get the inspiration, you have knowledge. So you can say, I love that God, not the world. But because without practice, you are telling. If you love the God, why do you do the immoral act? What does it mean? What is the result of the inspiration? Reading so many books, so many sense life, YouTube. We love God. But love God, you can say, because nobody can enter your mind. But why are you doing the immoral act if you love the God? You love the world. That is why you are doing the immoral act. ईश्वर के हम लोग नहीं चाहता है, विषय को चाहता है, जगत को चाहता है, तो हमारा जी इतना इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ चला? So that is the difference between inspiration and action to practice. Otherwise, पूछो, कोई पूछेगा तुम भगवान को चाहते हो ना जगत को चाहते हो? आनंद तो बोलेगा हम भगवान को चाहते, पहले ही बता दे क्या बात कर, हम ईश्वर को चाहता है, जगत को नहीं. Then why you are doing the wrong thing? That means we have lot of inspiration, and we think that inspiration itself will take you to the right path. That this will take you to the right path after working in action. If you do, otherwise, most of the people, how do they getting? अरे कितना यूट्यूब सुना था, मन अच्छा नहीं है, थोड़ा लेक्चर सुन ले, ये सुन लेता. So that is the difference. Inspiration is a short life, but action has a longer life. Then that will change your life. Action will only transfer your life, not inspiration. It helps just like a catalyst. Catalyst, it may help. That means it does not change your life. परिवर्तन जीवन को परिवर्तन कर्म ही करेगा. कर्म करने के लिए फोर्स दे रहा है इंस्पिरेशन. That's all. That is the relation. बस मैंने जो अभी क्वेश्चन कर सकता है, मैंने जो पॉइंट देना था दे दिया. क्लैरिटी.
Yes, Swamiji, few days back you told us that willpower depends on the love for the goal and success depends on the willpower. So you mentioned willpower depends on the love for the goal and success depends on the willpower. Same.
See, whenever there is a willpower, if I want, I can drink the water. If I do not want, even water is near to you, you cannot drink. So, if you want, that willpower is required. I want. For that willpower is required. And that willpower, if you have love for the idea, तो भगवान के प्रति हमारा इतना प्यार नहीं है, इतना फेद नहीं है, इतना लाभ नहीं है, हम मुंह में कह रहे हैं भगवान को चाहते हैं, जगत को नहीं चाहता, तो मतलब क्या हो गया? क्यों कर रहे हैं? भगवान के मुंह में बोलता है, अंदर से नहीं चाहता है, अंदर से तो जगत को चाहता है. So that love is related, love for the idea. Then come willpower. Then come to work, to drink water near you. If love for the ideal is not there, willpower is not there, we will not drink water. I think it is now clear. That is the relative. First, love for the God, ideal. जैसा तुम लोग पढ़ने का समय, love for the ideal to become a IAS officer, then you are going on working. Willpower has come to study. First, love for the ideal. हमको होना है. First, willpower will come. You practice. I think, Amit, you gave to answer.
Yes. Thank you, Swamiji. So anyone wants to ask?
अभी जल्दी खत्म करो, मुझे 8 बजे एक जगह जाना है.
ठीक है, we'll close then, Swamiji.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pranam.
Seeing all of you after long time.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Namaskar.
प्रणाम महाराज, प्रणाम महाराज.
Puneet.